everyone, today's video is a hair wash day video with Chloe, and I'm going to be showing you the process of how I do it. I'm going to start off with the oil treatment, then move into shampooing and conditioning her hair, and then a quick style at the end. Now I start off by taking out her two braids that she's had in for school. I carefully open up these braids, trying not to pull on her hair. As you may be able to tell in the video, her hair does look quite like filled with product. I really want to focus a lot on her scalp today and her ends. That's just a quick concoction that I mustered up. It's basically like a few oils. I'll list it in the description box. So I try to quickly part her hair open and spray this onto the scalp. I also do spray along the hair shaft as well, especially the ends, which need a lot of TLC at this point in time. And then I quickly separate her hair to finger detangle it. To be honest, it's quite detangled in this video, so there wasn't much detangling that needed to be done. On the other side, I still do the same process where I spray the roots, spray the scalp, and then along the hair shaft, quickly detangle and separate. And then once I'm happy with that, I go ahead and massage her scalp very gently, focusing on those areas where she has a little bit of buildup of product and a little bit of dandruff. Then I go ahead and just spiral her hair, wrap her hair into two ponytails or two big bantu knots, pop that shower cap on, and then I put on the heated cap on her head. Now I'm gonna leave this for about 10 minutes, and once it's finished, I pop her into the shower once her hair is cooled down, and we are now going to start the process of rinsing her hair out. I quickly showed you the length of her hair there because it's really hard to get all of it into the frame of the camera. So I start off by rinsing her hair out without any product. And then I grab her Curly Ellie shampoo. This is the same one that I've been using from the time she was a little wee one, and it still works. So if it's not broken, we're not fixing it over here. So I apply the shampoo predominantly to her scalp, massage that in, and then I rinse all of the shampoo out. Make sure that I get it as well out of the hair shaft because her hair is quite long, so I try my best to make sure that I wash all the product out. Then we move into the conditioning. I'm using two different types of conditioner here. My Curly Ellie one is running out, so I have that cheaper one as an option to mix with the Curly Ellie one, and I apply that very generously along her hair. I also try to separate the hair while I'm applying it, making sure again that I try to squeeze out a bit of the water when I'm applying the conditioner, but also try to get every strand, especially at the back. Chloe's hair is not only long, but it is quite thick. And then I grab her tangle teaser and try to detangle it, which will also help to evenly spread the product throughout her hair. I work in smaller sections. As you know from this channel, I love to work in smaller sections. It just helps a lot with detangling the hair, making sure product is spread evenly, and it just helps as well sometimes for you to be able to see where there may be any knots or tangles. With Chloe's hair, I like to work the opposite way. I start from the top of her hair when detangling down to the ends. That's just what works for her hair texture. And once I'm happy that the conditioner has been in, I go ahead and wash that out. So once we've washed out all the conditioner, now it's just basically like a quick style for her hair for the first day. So I apply her hair serum, and then I go back in again and quickly detangle her hair out. She just has that type of hair. It tangles quite quickly and quite easily. And again, I want that hair serum to get evenly spread throughout her hair, so it's best that I do this. I just go ahead now and braid her hair into one big plait, and I'll let that air dry. Her hair dries down quite quickly, so that would help then later in the week when we want to style it. And she just pops her favorite headband on, and that's it, guys. We are done. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, if you have any video requests, say what's up, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye now.